In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your PS4 controller to your PC using Steam's built-in drivers. This is by far the most reliable way to get your DualShock 4 working with your favorite games without having to download sketchy third-party software like DS4 Windows or complicated mapping tools. Steam has evolved to include native support that makes the process almost entirely plug-and-play, ensuring you get full access to the touchpad, gyro controls, and vibration settings across your entire library. If you've been struggling with your PC not recognizing your controller or the buttons being mapped incorrectly, this tutorial is for you. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, you need to physically connect your hardware. You have two options here. You can use a standard micro USB cable to plug the controller directly into a USB port on your computer, or you can use Bluetooth. To connect via Bluetooth, hold the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously until the light bar starts double flashing. Then, on your PC, go to your Bluetooth settings and select the wireless controller from the list of available devices. Once your controller is linked to your system, either via wire or wireless, open the Steam application on your desktop. Make sure you are logged in and your Steam client is up to date to ensure you have the latest driver compatibility. From the main Steam window, look at the top left corner and click on the word Steam in the menu bar. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open a new window containing all of your Steam preferences. On the left-hand sidebar of this settings window, scroll down until you see the category labeled Controller and click on it. This is the central hub where Steam manages all external peripherals. In the main pane, you will now see options for external gamepad settings. Look for the toggle that says Enable Steam Input for PlayStation controllers and make sure it is switched to the on position. Steam will then instantly detect your DualShock 4 and apply a universal driver that translates its inputs into a format that games can understand perfectly. Above this, you can click on General Controller Settings or Calibration to fine-tune your experience. This menu allows you to identify the controller, which will make it vibrate, or even change the color and brightness of the LED light bar on the back of the device. You can also calibrate the dead zones of your thumbsticks if you are experiencing any drift. The best part about this method is that even games not bought on Steam can often use these drivers if you add them to your Steam library as a non-Steam game. This makes Steam the ultimate controller hub for your PC. After you have verified that the PlayStation support is enabled, you are all set to go. Your controller will now work seamlessly with any game that supports gamepads. You can even customize specific button layouts for every individual game you own by accessing the layout settings while in-game. It is an incredibly powerful tool that saves you a lot of headache. And that is it. You have successfully connected your PS4 controller to your PC using the official Steam built-in drivers. If this video helped you get back into the game, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more easy tech guides. Enjoy your gaming.